working in the field of memory studies for 20 years now, and I can safely say that this was the most comprehensive event that I have ever attended. So this is true with regard to the keynotes, with their amazing range from literary studies, literary theory, literary history, to digital media and archive research, to literature and cognitive sciences crossovers, all the way to the cognitive neurosciences, humans and animals, and to extended reality. So this was just fantastic. And I think this also applies to the researchers' roundtables, where I saw such a spectrum of original ideas and exciting projects. So all in all, what I take from this event is an extreme sense of innovation for our field, coupled with an extreme depth of knowledge about the field. So I really think it is no exaggeration to say that the future of memory studies seems to lie in India.